Delicious. Delicious.
Now, hello there. Welcome once more to Panchoy's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. I bake a lot. At least once a week, I make homemade bread for my family. In between that, I make cakes for friends when they request it. It is a big compliment to be everybody's cake lady, so I buy everything in bulk. My sugar, my flour, my vanilla extract. I buy a big bottle from Sam's Club. But of all the ingredients I buy, it is the vanilla extract that I just can't wrap my mind around the cost of it. That bottle is almost like $30, $25 plus. And when I buy it, it will last me about 6 months, which is okay, depending on how frequently I bake. I pretty much buy about 2 to 3 in the year. But I discovered I could make it at home and save myself some money. Making homemade vanilla extract is very simple, very quick. You will be amazed at how quick it is, how simple, and you are also assured that you have just 2 ingredients in your vanilla extract, which is just the vanilla beans and your alcohol. That is all. You cannot vouch that the ones you buy in the store are that pure, even though I always buy pure vanilla extract. So I made this about 5 weeks ago, and by the holidays, this is going to be ready for me to use, and I want to share the recipe with you. So come along and let's do this. I know you are going to be amazed, and hopefully you are not going to be buying vanilla extract again and save yourself some money. So to make your homemade vanilla extract, you just need some vanilla bean pots. I have here Madagascar vanilla bean pots, the very best you can find. And this is 5 bean pots in each pack. I got this from Costco for like $9 and change, almost $10. So I'm going to be using all 5 in one bottle. I also have here some vodka. That is pretty much, you need some alcohol, so vodka works. Previously, I used some light rum in the ones that I made, and also I'm going to be using some spiced rum. I like making holiday cakes with spiced rum in it. My orange cranberry cake is everybody's favorite. They request it all year long, so for the holidays, definitely I'm going to be making that. And so instead of having just regular vanilla extract, I'm going to have my vanilla extract with the spice rum in it as well. So this is how our vanilla beans look like. You want to make sure your hands are very clean because you want this to be very sterile. So I'm going to pick one part like this, and I'm going to cut from the bottom just to slit it, not all the way through, pretty much like this. You want it to be something like this, and I'm going to set it down and do the same with everything. Get it ready for the bottle. Just like so. These are 12.7 ounce bottles, about 375 ml. I'm going to use these to make my vanilla extract. I'm trying to get it to mature faster, be ready to use, so I'm going to use these bottles. You could use bigger bottles if you are going to plan to keep it for longer. And I'm going to fill it with my vanilla bean pot, just like this. Put a funnel on top. And I'm going to pour in here my spice rum. Just want to leave a little bit of gap because you are going to be coming in every now and then to shake your bottle. So you want to leave a little bit of gap so you can do that. So every 2 or 3 days you go in and you give this a little shake just to help everything mix up. And this is going to go in my pantry hopefully for at least 3 months. But the longer it stays, the better. Since I have 2 bottles already made, I pretty much won't need to use this for about 9 months, hopefully. So it's going to be perfect by the time I'm ready to use it. But pretty much between 6 weeks upwards, you can use your vanilla extract. it just gets better with time. If you happen to not want to cut through your vanilla extract, it is okay. You could just put them in here in the bottle, but I like to make the slits. I don't mind the specks at all. I once had a bottle of vanilla, the store-bought one, and I used some vanilla bean pods to make ice cream, and I put it in there. It made it so much richer. And I like the specks of the pods that came into my vanilla extract. You know, when I made cakes and I saw those little dark specks, I was pretty pleased with it. So into my bottle, they go. Just fit them in here. I'm going to put my funnel. And now I'm going to pour in my vodka. Just leave that little wiggle room, shaking room, so you can go in and shake this every now and then. Cover. So these are the ones we made today: spice rum, vodka, and pretty much in about 9 months, these are going to be perfect for me to use. But like I said, you can start using this anytime from 6 weeks upwards. So if you try this as soon as this video comes up, you definitely can have it ready for the holidays. I intend to make more of this so I never have to buy again. So I'm going to date them as I make them. So this is going to give me an idea when I made it, so I know that it's ready. I cannot begin to tell you how excited I am that I have my own homemade vanilla extract. So all my bakings are going to be filled with that extra pinch of love, and of course I'm saving myself tons of money. You can just fill this up once you have your vanilla bean pods in here, once you use a little bit of it. So with these that are going to be ready for the holidays, I'm just going to use what I need and fill it up again, top it up with more alcohol, and I can have this for years, at least two to 3 years, 5 years. I've heard people use that, and the alcohol is going to provide a sterile feel, so it's not going to go bad. You just keep adding up until you think your vanilla extract is not that rich anymore, and probably you just finish using it. Or just throw in some few parts every now and then. You know, after every few months, you put in maybe 1 or 2 extra parts. And that is how simple it is, very rich. You are going to be assured you have just 2 ingredients in your vanilla extract, just the vanilla bean and your alcohol. You can vouch for that with the store-bought one. So I know exactly what I'm having, and these are going to last me at least 2 years. How simple, how economical. These are going to be perfect holiday gifts for your family and friends. Just let them know when it's going to be ready to use, and I know they are going to love it. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.